Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Metal Slug Awakening PC game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Metal Slug Awakening game on your device, and after logging in and launching the game, first you will be taken through the basic tutorials, and after you have completed level 1-1, in order to change your username, just click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then just tap on your profile image, and this will then take you into your personal info page. You will be given a default username to begin with, so in order to change this, tap on the pen icon at the top, then just tap on edit player name, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new name. This will cost one rename card, so just type in your desired name and then click on the save button, and after a rename card is consumed, your player name will be changed right away. You can change this as many times as you'd like, provided that you have the currency required. You can also change your username from the launcher by clicking on the drop-down menu and then clicking on Account Center from the top right. Then within your basic info, you can simply change your username by clicking on the edit button. Once again, type in your desired name and then click on OK to save your changes. And by these two methods, you can change your username within the Metal Slug Awakening PC game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.